Hello everyone and welcome to Access Form Lab 1. To get started with this lab, you need two files. You need Form 1 instructions. Also you need Form 1 starting file. You need both files open side by side, as we usually do for most of our labs. Today we will learn how to create a simple form, understand different form views. To get started with the instructions, you need to open Form 1 starting file. I will go ahead and do the same thing, and you save it as Form 1 in a place where you save your solutions. I will go ahead and do the same thing here, and then click on save. Make sure that you enable content so you can edit your database. Click on create a form wizard. So you go to create, and then under form you should be able to see form wizard. You click on it once, and then here it says select table product. Keep in mind, when you create a form in a database that has many tables, you can select which table would you like to bound this form with. So I will bound my form with the table product, and then I will click the double arrows here, double head arrow, and then I will move all of these fields to the right side, and then click on next. I will make sure to choose columnar, and then click next again. Guess what is the form naming convention? Yes, you are right, FRM, and then product. Then click on finish. Now you have a nice looking form where you can input data inside your table. To navigate, you have the navigation control panel here. You can go to the next record, you can go to the last record, you can create a new record, you can go to the first record, and so on. So this is something that you need to keep in mind. If you would like to make major changes or design changes to the form, you need to go to which view. So which view are we in now? We are in the form view. So we have in the form, we have different types of views. We have form view, we have layout view, and design view. So let's go to design view, and if I go to the design view, I need more space here, more room where I can look at my form. Again, if you click, please pay attention to the property sheet here. Which item is selected? I have the form selected. Look, when you click on any other item, now you are managing the property sheet for only this item. But if you need to deal with the form, you need to click, do you see this box here? You click on it, and if you don't see the property sheet, you activate it from under the design tab. Here you have property sheet. If I click on it once, it disappears. Click on it again, it appears. So you need to go to the property sheet, and then click on the data tab, and make sure that you change the property of this form. So you will change the allow addition to no. So you will go to allow addition here and choose no, and then allow deletion also no, and then allow edits also no. So now you get the point. You can make your form as a view only form. If you enable this or make it yes, that means that you can use the form to make changes and edit the table, the bounded table, to your form. Then after you do that, you need to change back to form view. So I will go, you save first, make sure that you save, and then it change to form view. And when you go to form view, if you try to make changes to the text here, you can. Do you hear my keyboard? I'm trying to edit, but I can't. Why? Because I said my form is not for editing or deleting, just for viewing. This is something that you might consider in the future while you are working with forms. This was a quick lab over something that you need to keep in mind. Also, if you go to the form design view, and I need you to go look at these values here. We don't have time to cover all of them, but I highly encourage you to look at each one of them. One of the things that you might consider is the pop-up property. So now let's look at my form in form view. My form is snipped inside the database, but if I go to my design view and then go to pop-up and then choose yes, for example, here, and then save that and then change, look at my form, look how my form opens, it pops up. So these are things that you should look for, especially when we work with project. I need you to start looking at these things, because in a project it's your responsibility that you dig in and you know the details of the application, and this is something that you need to keep in mind. It makes your form a lot nicer and it pops up the form. If you need to disable that, you go back to the form design view. I cannot do it now, so how do I open it in design view? Right click and then go to design view and then go to pop-up and then make this no. So this is something, if I save it now and open it, it opens in a normal form or the default form view. Thank you everyone for watching, and I'll see you in future tutorials. I hope you did learn new items in this lab. Bye bye everyone.